Okay, welcome everybody. This is week 10, the final week of the Math 602 class. There's a few things that we're going to finish up. We're going to look at non-homogeneous problems. That's the main thing that we're going to look up. We're going to finish up, as well as finish up some examples that are left over from last week. But that's the main thing, finishing up non-homogeneous equations, non-homogeneous equations. There are basically what I would consider, 2 days of new material that's going to be when we have non-homogeneous boundary conditions and non-homogeneous, like the PDE itself is non-homogeneous. So it's basically about 2 days worth of material. I will be posting something similar, an assignment. Homework 10 is going to be similar to homework for, there's a homework before test 1 and a homework before test 2 that sort of gave an indication of what problems were going to be on the exam and where you needed to focus your studying. There's an exam next week, which I'll talk about in just a moment, but I'm going to give an assignment like that. Of course, this is going to be, throughout the entire semester. It's going to be on material from throughout the entire semester. The final exam will be 2 hours long, not just like exam 1 and exam 2. It'll be 2 hours long, unlike exam 1 and exam 2. There's also not going to be a video portion for exam 2 or for exam 3. Exam 3, aka the final exam, is just going to be written, and it's going to be covering material from throughout the entire semester. Perhaps weighted a little more toward the newer stuff, but I don't want to. I haven't written it yet. I don't want to commit myself too much for that. It's also a little bit difficult to gauge because some problems are longer than others, and so it's hard to sort of gauge. There's different metrics for how many problems come, or how much, or there's different metrics to determine which percentage of the exam comes from one part of the class and which percentage of the exam comes from another part of the class. The exam can be taken anytime next Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday. So I will open it. It will open sometime on Sunday, probably like the midnight between Sunday and Monday, and then you can take it Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday by 11:59 p.m. I will grade those, and that will be your exam. Your grade for the class. I'm not sure why I felt the need to explain that last part. I think at this point I'm rambling because I didn't make an outline for what I was going to say. But that's it. I think that's all I wanted to say in this introductory video. Like I said, I will be making an assignment that will be due on Monday that will cover problems from the entire semester, that will give you an idea for what's going to be on the test. I will probably post that on Wednesday just because I haven't given the test yet. Or just because I haven't written the test yet. But in terms of your homework grade, just like the other homework assignments for test 1 and test 2, it's only going to be graded for completion. So the fact that you don't have an entire week to do it, I hope you're okay with that, because I want to make sure I get the test written before I make that assignment. Okay, that's it for this introductory video. I will see you guys in the discussion forums.